Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to disable startup apps in Windows 11 to fix slow boot. So all you gotta do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager, right? Click the startup apps at the very top here, right? And all you gotta do is find or right click any non-essential high impact basically app to select disable. So let's say this Microsoft 365 Copilot, see the publisher, status disabled, the status impact, none. But if it's high impact instead of none, then all you gotta do is just hit basically disable, right? Instead of enable here. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.